everyone, I welcome you all to a CMA Final SFM lecture. Well, in today's video, I'll be covering the arbitrage concept. Now, the students have already purchased the fast track batch or regular batch for that matter. Remember one thing, derivative folder is already there in your drive, okay? Now, whether you need to watch this? Yes, because all the module questions are covered in this video, okay? Number two, what all concepts are going to get covered in this? See, I've already written down over there. The first thing is the theoretical market price, also called as TMP, the computation of that. Second is basically your decision making. What exactly decision you need to take, buy option, sell spot, and all that. And third, the most important is the arbitrage process. For 1 or 2 minutes, I'll be talking about this three concepts and then I'll go ahead. Okay. Number one, whenever there is a computation, listen to me very carefully. Whenever there is a computation of theoretical market price, people get confused. They think this is something different. Okay. See, I'll tell you the reason. Theoretical market price is a forecast. It's an estimation. The analysis what we have done, एक estimation अंदाजा है कि this might be the price. That's why it's called as theory, theoretical market price. It is always compared with the actual ongoing prices, and that's where your arbitrage comes into picture. What is the meaning of arbitrage? There will be an arbitrage opportunity if the prices are not matching. A simple example. Let us start with there only. Let us say I expect the price of this calculator. I am expecting, I did all the analysis, I did market share and all that, and I expect this calculator will fetch 100 rupees. It will cost 100 bucks, let us say after 1 month. But after 1 month, the price of this calculator will only 80 rupees. This is what? My theoretical market price is completely wrong. So whether arbitrage exists in this, the answer will be yes, because the prices are not matching. So please keep this in your head. What happens is whenever people of CMA Final, whenever they listen to this term called as arbitrage, they go into a panic situation. They have no idea यार क्या करना है, तो कैसा buy sell, buy spot, then sell future, how to write it. Please, okay. So that's the reason I've taken this. And also one more thing, students do ask about the module questions. That's the reason I've taken directly from the module only. Okay, आपका पूरा tension निकल जाएगा इसमें. See, so first we'll try to compute the theoretical market price, which you have already done it. There are already lectures in your drive, okay? And I think it's very, very simple. If you know the 12 times formula, it will become very simple. Second, what happens is usually nowadays I'm seeing in the attempts, they give us the exponential figure, okay? Second, the decision making, it will be one line, buy spot, sell future and all that. It will always compare. So this process is always compared with the theoretical market price, okay? So they will give you an actual price also and what you need to compute. Then you need to compare, okay? Simple. Understand the ideology? What simple. And third, this is the main arbitrage process where you need to write the step by step. Also one more thing, ladies and gentlemen, this process is completely linked. To this process. What? The second one. So when you write the decision making, and if there's one more question over there, please tell us how arbitrage is there an opportunity, how does this work, then you will show it to them step by step. So first you will compute the theoretical market price, that's number one. Second, there will be a decision, buy spot, sell future, anything it might be. And the third, if they're asking you if there's any arbitrage opportunity, then the third step will come. So the moral of the story is everything is linked. Okay, if one thing go wrong, the whole thing is going to go wrong. Okay, and it's very, very simple. Can you start this? Okay. Before I start this, just a quick recap. Okay. Now we have already done this for your information. Okay, I'll just tell you where are we standing in that. Okay. The moment you start derivatives, in derivatives there will be something called as valuation of futures. In valuation of futures, you might have done coaching from anywhere, okay? There might be a chart drawn by your faculty, and that will be what? This 1, 2, and 3. What is this? Security, not providing cash income, Next, security providing cash income, and security providing as a percentage of yield. So this three might be there. in today's lecture, we'll be focusing on the second part. Okay, now if you're wondering what on earth is this cash income? Cash income बोले तो क्या है भाई? Cash income मतलब क्या होता है? Cash income is nothing but the dividend. Cash income is nothing but the dividend. Okay, now before I start solving, just एक warm up करेंगे. We'll do a recap, then I'll just dig into the sums. Okay, because the moment you understand this, the sum solving and the theory part will be very very simple. Okay, understand this, sir. If in the question there is nothing of dividend, कुछ नहीं लिखा है. There's one question which they have given. This is the price. This is the spot price. This is the time to expiration. 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, जो भी रहेगा, ठीक है. Then they have also given you rate of interest. If this is the end, they just told you, boss, please compute the theoretical market price. So this will come into this. Why? Because there is no information related to dividend. अगर ऐसा है, काम बहुत easy है अपना, अपने बस से उसका future value निकालना. That is the theoretical market price. Very simple. Spot into E raised to RT. I'll tell you what is that. Okay? Second, if in the question they have given you information regarding dividend, कि boss, after 2 months, after 3 months, you are going to receive dividend. So you tell me one thing. If I'm taking decision today, I'm standing where? Where am I standing, boss? Where am I standing? I'm standing in T0. I'm standing in T. What is T0? What is 0 here? And where I have to take decision? After 1 year or what? After 2 years? No. Today only I have to take decision. So you tell me one thing. If I am supposed to get dividend, receive dividend after 3 months, don't you think uska present value निकालना पड़ेगा? Yes. So if you in your book you might be having this. I've already drawn a big chart in your book in the lectures. Okay. So इसमें आपको 3 चीज सिखाई थी मैंने. Normal, your formula. In that the third formula was also there for which compounding was there. Okay. Now CCRRI, continuous compounding risk-free rate of interest. Okay, so what we do in this is, so the first step is we compute the present value of dividend. Very simple. Second, there's something called as adjusted spot price. Adjusted spot price. Please इसका ध्यान देंगे आप. Pay attention over here. If this goes in your head now, questions will be very easy. Just solve on a calculator. It's that simple. Okay, but this needs to go in your head. Adjusted spot price. So the first thing is I need to take out the present value. How to compute adjusted spot price? बहुत simple. So what you will do, your normal spot price, whatever is given in the question, minus your present value of dividend. You will get a new price called as adjusted spot price, also called as revised spot price. Okay, and then you will compute the theoretical market price using this. Using what? This. So पहला present value निकालने का, which we do divide by. And if you want to compute the theoretical market price, we do multiplication. Very very simple. Future निकालना है. Okay. Now, this is what we need to do in the entire series of questions, which is there in the module. As simple as that. Okay. Sure. Is this gone in your head? Simple. Okay. Now, question number 8. Now, I don't know what is the page. I hope 494. 494 is the page. Okay. Now, pay attention. I'm not only going to take the technique करने वाला हूँ, ठीक है? The reason why I've taken this, obviously, this is because I'll solve it also, but I want to tell you that model questions, जो बोलते हैं कि sir, please do model questions. So that is why I've taken it directly. Okay. Now, second point. Like I think all the people watching this video, CMA final students, like everybody is in a position to do that 12 times formula of a calculator. Okay. If you do not know it, कुछ tension मत लो. I'll teach you in this video, okay, how to do that, okay. But what I feel is, whatever like model question paper I've gone through, they give the value. They give the value of E. Value of E is already given in the question. You simply need to do multiplication. That's it. But unfortunately, if they do not give you, then how to compute that I'll teach you in this video. Okay, I've already taught a lot of times. I'll teach you today, but एकदम आराम से ये पूरा concept आज आपका होने चाहिए. ये तीनों concept आपके दिमाग में होने चाहिए. TMP, decision making, how to do, मतलब it is overvalued, undervalued. That's all we do. Okay, and third is the arbitrage process. Can we start? Simple question, warm up करेंगे. First है एकदम, चलो. theoretical forward price, that is the theoretical market price, no dividends, no carrying cost, compute the theoretical forward price of the following securities for 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. So basically, if they are talking no dividends, it's a very simple question for us. Sir, I think ये वाले bracket में आ रहा है, पहले वाले में, yes, security providing no cash income, so no dividend. So you only tell me what we have to do is simply compute the forward price. No, check, we'll do it. They have given spot price, so this is the best question for you to practice. Why practice? Because they have given you 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. So आपने को वो 3 मार्क करना है. One पहले एक करते हैं. First we'll do it for the first month. So what is the formula? What is the formula? Very simple. This is the formula in front of you. F is equal to spot into E raised to RT. So why are you writing it again? You already know that. No. So remember one thing. Even you do it with me. Even you write. I know it's written over there. You might be having a model, but write it. There's no problem. Okay. What happens is when you write something, then you feel. कैसे होता है? बहुत सारे बच्चे जब theory करते हैं, when you're doing theory, it's okay. You are reading it, but I've seen students doing practical also writing. क्या वो सिर्फ theory पढ़ते नहीं. लिखो कुछ problem नहीं. So your formulas must be known. What is the meaning of R? Rate of interest. T is time to expiration. Simple. Okay. Sure. S stands for spot. Okay. Now in the question they've also told you कि the interest rate is 9% and 12%. मतलब you have to do it for 2 things and 3 times you will do it. Okay. So 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and also there are 3 companies. It's a big question, but if you understand one out of that, no, it is more than enough. Okay. So first we will do it for DD Limited. एक company का पकड़ते हैं 3 मार्क करते हैं. ठीक है. पहले 1 month, 3 months, and then what 6 months. Okay. So how will we do it? Very, very simple. Now you tell me one thing. 160 is the spot price. 9% is rate of interest. And 1 month is the time to expiration. Okay. Now, what I'll do, you only tell me, sir, spot is 160. I'll write here 160 into E. That is 2.7183. What is the E का value? I hope everybody will know by now. अगर नहीं पता टेंशन मत लो, कुछ टेंशन का बात नहीं है. 2.7183. This is the exponential figure, standard by default figure. Okay. Into R and T. What is R? R is 9%, so I'll write here raised to 0.09 into what is T? 1 upon 12. That is 1 month का करना है अपन. सब करना है. Do everything, but we start by this normal stuff. Okay. 160 into E raised to 0.09 into 1 upon 12. कितना होता है check करेंगे please? Into 1 divided by 12. So this is something, ये 0.0075. We'll see the answer afterwards. We'll try to solve it first. Okay. Now, understand this very carefully. In the examination, they will give you this figure. आपको ये figure already देंगे वहां पे. आपको सिर्फ ढूंढना है. You need to come to this step. E raised to 0.0075. I think you will come in. Okay. आप आ जाएंगे आराम से. आपको सिर्फ वैल्यू ढूंढना है और मल्टीप्लाई करना है. How much time is going to take for to calculate this? But in the module they have not given the values. They have taken it directly. Now the point is, sir, अगर ठीक है, if you are telling if it comes, it comes. If it does not come, then tension मत लो, वो भी मैं सिखाऊंगा. ठीक है. So what you need to do is, I've already done this. It is called as a 12 times calculator trick. It's very simple. So what you need to do is, on your calculators, take 2.7183. Also one more thing. Make sure the calculator is clean. Clean as in not clean. It is without any memory. आप memory होना चाहिए. Okay. We take this figure. Next, we'll compute 12 times. You press the square root. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Don't know anything else. Okay. Minus 1 into that number which is there. 0.0075 plus 1 is equal to. Now into is equal to 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. You get some figure called as 1.007529. I'll just write it over here. 160 into कितना था ये 1.0075291144 and so 26 फुल लिखो. चलो अभी इसको इंटू मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना अपने को 160 से. Your answer will be 161.20. We'll go and check whether the answer is matching or not. Your answer will directly match with your module 161.20. I hope आपके कैलकुलेटर में यही दिख रहा है. दिख रहा है क्या रे? हाँ 161.20. 161.20. Everybody okay with this? खत्म. This is called as your theoretical market price. Analysis करके what I feel, I think this has to be the price. In this question, there is no as a sub question. There is, they have not asked you questions over here. Whether it is undervalued, whether it is overvalued, वो next question में है भाई. पहले ये तो सीखेंगे कि theoretical market price कैसे निकालते हैं. Then the other questions will follow. So आपका हाथ इसके ऊपर बैठना चाहिए. We'll solve 2-3 more questions also in this only, and then we'll go ahead. Okay. You should be very clear cut in this. Okay. If they give you value, very good. They do not give you, no problem. We know how to do it. Okay. Chalo. Now, can we do it? This is for 1 month. Okay. We are doing for DD limited 1 month, 3 months, and what? 6 months. Now we'll do it for 3 months, which I think you need to do it. Okay. Chalo. Same thing will follow. Same thing will follow. What we'll do? Sir, F is equal to spot into E R raised to T. What is spot? 160 into E. R is 0.09. Now T will change. Time to expiration. This will be into 3 divided by 12. Okay, 3 divided by 12. 160 into. Now please do it. How much is it? 09.09 into 3 divided by 12. So E raised to 0.0225. Can you please do it? Then pause the video. You just do it. If you have not understood, then pay attention. Okay. So the same thing I'll tell you again, that if the value is given in the question, you need to find out. Okay. तो ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आपको directly वही देंगे value. We'll give you 2-3 values. You need to identify which value I need to take and just multiply by 160. Okay. That is also important. तो कुछ भी value मत लेके आओ. हाँ ये दिया, ये का मैंने वही value दिया. नहीं. Find it. You need to come to this step. That's what I'm trying to tell you. इतना तो करना पड़ेगा. क्या R और T multiply? Then you will get this figure 0.0225. Simple. Now pay attention. Same thing we'll do, and then we cross check the answer. Okay, simple. 2.7183 on your screen, on your calculator. Sorry, 2.7183. 12 times calculate the square root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1 into this figure 0.0225 plus 1 is equal to. Now into is equal to 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1.02275. This should be your number. I'll multiply it by 160 into 160. Answer should come to 163.64, which should match with your answer. Which should match with your answer. देखो आपका match हो रहा है क्या सबका? Everybody getting this? 163.641. Everybody getting? Okay. If you are getting this, you should be proud that you are able to complete what? The theoretical market price, which is completely same. Okay. Now I hope you are comfortable in this. Okay. ऐसे और एक solve कर लेंगे. We do solve one. So what we are doing is DD limited. We'll do one. Rest you do for homework. Okay. सब कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. Just do one company. You do understand because the main questions are after this question. Okay. We'll do this also. 6 months. How will you do it? Very simple. S is equal to spot into E RT. 160 into E 0.09 into 6 divided by 12. Okay, chalo. Do 6 divided by 12. So this is 160 into E raised to 0.045. 0.045. Okay, now. Same thing, if this is given in the question, the value is given, just take it directly, otherwise please compute it. Okay. Now I think you should be able to do it very perfectly. Okay. I'll do it. When you do it, you can match the answers. Okay. You have the answer in your module only. 2.7183 square root 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 minus 1 into this number 0.045 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 1.0460 something into 160. My answer is 167.36 something. Can we just cross check with the module? And you'll get the same answer. 167.36. Why am I doing this? Because they have got this number directly. No, यहाँ पे दिया नहीं है. They have not given you the calculations. I don't know why. They might have like लिखना चाहिए था नीचे कि ऐसा ऐसा है. They've got this answer like this and all that, but it's fine. Okay. So what I feel is they'll give the values and if they don't give, you know how to compute. Okay, so big deal. Okay, so 167.36. I hope you're getting it. For the homework, you can do the rest two companies also. Okay. Can we go on to the next part? Because you already know how to compute the theoretical market price. Okay. एक बार recap करेंगे. Will you recap? What exactly is this? No, nothing rocket science. It's basically analysis, a forecast of what might be the price. Price क्या हो सकता है? तो ये price हो सकता है. Now the second question will come whether it is undervalued or overvalued. The second process for that you need to have a price, right? हाँ बाबा इसका तुमको अंदाजा है 100 रुपए होने वाला एक महीने के बाद. But actual standard price is already there. It's already mentioned. After 1 month, this is the price. This is the future price. And you will compare. Okay. Sure. Can we go on to this sheet? Question number 9 in the module. Shares of Sandeep Limited. Can we solve this, everybody? Because there is a good question over this. See, shares of Sandeep are being quoted at 600. Understand properly. Don't do it mechanically. Okay. Shares of Sandeep are being quoted at 600. Oh, अभी कितना चालू है 600. The 3 months futures contract rate is going 636 per share for a lot size of 500 shares. Forget the lot and all that. What we need to do is this price. How much is the future rate going on right now? It is 636 per share. If you want to buy or sell future. If Sandeep Limited is not expected to distribute any dividend, okay, that means the first box, they don't want to distribute cash income. The interest is 9%. Ladies and gentlemen, what is the recommended course of action for a trader in shares? Now that asked you, what you will do? Buy, sell, buy spot or sell future or otherwise. Okay, so for that, the first step is what? The theoretical market price. Okay, acha, sir, can we do this? Can we do this? Yes, can do this. It's a very simple question. See, in these two questions, what is the one common point? There is no dividend involved. ऊपर भी क्या नहीं था, there was no dividend. So after this question, dividend will also come. So don't take tension. Okay. Chalo, can we do this, ladies and gentlemen? We'll see the answer afterwards. Okay. We will solve it on our own. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने दिया मतलब मैं tick mark मारने वाला. No, that's not my style, boss. Okay. So we'll solve it. I mean, you need to solve it with me. Very simple. Future spot into ERT. Spot. How much is spot? Sir, 600 into ERT. How much is R? 0.09 into T, 3 upon 12. Can you please tell me how much is this? E raised to 0.0225. And now I think you know how to do it, okay? But still, we'll go to a normal steps. If this is given in the values given in the question, which is not given in the question, so you need to find it. Okay, 2.7183. Next normal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1 into 0.0225 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I get this number 1.02275 something into 600. So my answer is 613.65. We'll go and check how much is the model answer. By the same only, same. 613.65. Okay, same answer only. Okay, you need to understand one thing. It's all based on that formula. Okay, if you know that, it's very simple. Now, should we finish the answer here? No, because that was the first question. In this, they've asked you completely what is the recommended course of action. Now, please pay attention, boss. So it is always, one second, I'll write it down. Theoretical market price and your, where's your price? Where's the price? Where's the price over here? And the actual futures price. Actual futures price. Okay, what is the future price? Now I'll write it over here. This is how much? 600 and 600 कितना निकाला अपन ने? 613.65. And how much they are quoting? How much they are quoting? Where is this? 636. 636. Where it is? 636. Now please pay attention. Here your this lies. Your main answer. Can I say one thing? The future price is what? Zada. The future price is what? Always compare with the future price, okay? Then when you write the answer undervalued, overvalued, always compare with your future price. But tell me one thing, future price is what? So 636. And how much was your analysis? How much was your expectation? How much is the computation of theoretical market price? So it is yes, 613.6. Okay. Now you tell me one thing. If the prices is going to rise, can I say one thing? This stuff is overvalued. This stuff is overvalued. Whenever you write an answer undervalued, overvalued, always compare, always see the price of the future price. उसके related आपको answer लिखना है. So you get an answer over here. Wait, this is overvalued. This is overvalued. Whenever this is over, the future is overvalued. Remember one thing. You will always sell the future. You will always sell future. पैसा ज़्यादा मिलेगा obviously. Why you will go in loss? And if this is selling in future, you will always buy spot. So I'll tell you one simple trick for this. Pay attention. Many students, they know this concept. Some of you might get confused, but the simple trick is that always compare with the future price, whether it is undervalued or overvalued. If it is overvalued, this is your decision confirm. Confirm. This is not going to change only. If it is overvalued, always you will sell futures and you will do the reverse, that is you will buy spot, and this won't change. I've seen many students getting confused with the decision making. They might be able to compute the theoretical market price, but when it comes to decision making about undervalued, overvalued, थोड़ा सा panic हो जाएगा. समझ में नहीं आएगा क्या करना है. What to do? I don't understand. I've done it, but I'm not able to grasp it. Simple. Write it down somewhere. First of all, always compare with the future price. We'll do a lot of sums, okay? Undervalue also will do. So this is overvalued. Always you want gain, you want benefit, right? So you will obviously go forward. You will sell the futures and you will buy spot right up. One more question is there in that only. What if it is 600? So it is two alternatives, two options are given. If it is 636, what is your action? And if it is 600, what is your action? No problem. No problem. You show them here only. We show them here only. Pay attention. This is 636 and this is 600. Tell me you what. First you'll do one thing. Simple. Don't miss the basic. Basic as in what we have done. No, now I know. Now I'll go right. Directly I'll write it. No. Go step by step. No. First what you will write? So theoretical market price and your future price. Theoretical market price is how much? 613.6. This is not going to change. And this is 600. So can I say one thing now? Your theoretical market price is more than that. This means your future price is less. Can I say one thing? This is undervalued. This is undervalued. Once again, write it properly. Undervalued. Keep it very simple, boss. अगर वो कम है ना ये future price तो undervalued है. ज़्यादा तो overvalued खत्म हो गया. If it is undervalued, what you will do? अरे इसका उल्टा करने का. What will do? Sir, sell spot and buy future. Sell spot and buy future. This is what you get it over here. Sell spot and buy future. Standard patent if it is undervalued. This is what you do. This is the second concept. We'll do a couple of questions now. But there's one more concept which is there after that also. Even they might ask you this. आएगा साथ में क्या? They'll ask you one more thing. What is the arbitrage opportunity? If the prices are not matching what you have estimated, the theoretical market price and if the actual future price, if this is not matching, then arbitrage will come. So see, boss, arbitrage process, if they tell you to write down, it is nothing rocket science. So for example, there is arbitrage. They said, there's arbitrage over here. Prices are not matching. So if they tell me one more question, basically, please write down arbitrage process. So I'll buy spot. If I'm buying spot, I need to take it on loan, right? So that's what the assumption is. I take it on loan, I have to repay it, I have to sell future, I'll get money. So last you will write down net gain or loss, whatever it might be, okay? That is what it is the last. We'll do it step by step. I hope this is gone in your head. Can we do next concept? Ladies and gentlemen, we have not done dividend वाला. हाँ, वो अभी करेंगे ना भाई. वो अभी करने हैं आपने को. ध्यान दो please. Full pay attention ना. Question number 10 on your screen. So can we do it, everybody? Compute the theoretical forward price of the following securities for 2 months, 3 months, and 4 months. Okay. A limited, B limited, D limited. We'll do it for one company. Next two, you take it for homework. Okay. Spot price is given. Okay. Dividend expected. Oh my god, this was not there in the previous questions now. How much is it? 50. No problem. Dividend receivable, how many months? 2 months. Okay. And 6 months futures contract date is given for your purpose because to complete the decision making is 4,600. You may assume the risk-free interest rate is 9% per annum. What action should follow to benefit from futures contract? Okay. It's the same pattern what we have done, but there is one small twist because, ladies and gentlemen, it is coming under this wala box. It's coming under security providing cash income. That means it is giving you a dividend. If it is giving dividend, you need to compute what? The present value of the dividend. Very simple. So once where it is, where it is. Forget the answer. We'll check it afterwards. We'll do it in our own fashion. और नाम क्या भाई कंपनी का यही लिमिटेड ना. चलो. Pay attention. Pay attention. A limited. A limited. Now, if it is providing cash income, we need to compute something called as adjusted spot price. That's the second step. Now, what is the first step? What is the first step? Step number one. Step number one. What it is? Compute present value of what dividend. निकालना पड़ेगा भाई dividend अपने को present value. क्यों निकालना पड़ेगा? Because, ladies and gentlemen, 50 rupees you're going to get, but when you're going to get 50 rupees? After 2 months. When you're taking decision, today T0. So in this also we have to use CCRRI. So what is this? What is this, sir? A continuous compounded risk-free rate of interest. Nothing. Basically, with E formula only you need to do it. Institute follows the E formula. You can do it. See, I'll tell you one second. Pay attention. Many people get confused. Huh? What happened? Many people get confused over here. अरे सर एक मिनट. First we were computing theoretical market price. ये कहाँ से घुसा है बीच में? We need to do that. But to arrive at that, first we need to compute the present value of dividend first. Whenever present value is there, you do divide by. You do what? Divide by. Very simple. Okay. So what we'll do is, how much is the money? This 50 rupees, right? 50. I can do this by 1 plus R also. All these questions can do by 1 plus R. But it is always the continuous compounded interest. So what do we do with E raised to RT? Very simple. Now you tell me, E you already know. R is how much? How much is the risk rate of interest? 9% and 2 months. 9% and 2 months. What I'll write? 0.09 into 2 upon 12. 2 upon 12. It is 2 upon 12, by the way, one second. Now you tell me how much is the value? 50 upon. Why? Same 12 times. If they're given, very good. If they're not given, no bother. You already know it. So what? One second. 0.09 into 2 divided by 12. 0.015. So 0.015. Tell me what is the answer. What is the present value of rupees 50? By the way, just for your information, you do computation plus minus and all that stuff. The answer has to be less than 50 only. If it goes beyond 50, it means that you have gone somewhere wrong. You are computing present value of 50 bucks, which after 2 months it is. It has to be less only than 50. Please do it. First we'll do the denominator part very simply. 2.7183. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1 into 0.015 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is something what? One second. Rupees 50 divided by 1.015, 1149, 7653. You write the first two digits also, big deal. But if you want the exact answer to match with the model, you should do this cust. 511497653. 49.25. 49.25. I hope you're right. What's the answer? And yes, you guys are right. 49.25 is the answer. That's what you've got it on your calculators. Okay, I hope you've got this on your calculators. Everybody, 49.256. Rounded off here because the next number is 5. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the present value of dividend. Okay. Okay. Step 1 is done. Step 1 is done. Now, can we go to the next step, please? Everybody. Everybody. Step number 2. Step number 2. Step number 2. What it will be? Computation of adjusted spot price. Computation of adjusted spot price. Very, very simple. How will we do it? Spot price minus present value of dividend. Present value of dividend. How much is spot price? Spot price. Where it is? 4550. 4550 minus present value 49.25. 49.25. Okay. 4550 minus 49.25. 4500.75. I hope this you have got. Now, this is your new spot price and not 4550. Okay. Now, same thing, what we're doing, now we need to compute the theoretical market price by using this figure, okay. Step number 3, I think we'll just cross check what step number 2 barabar aa gaya apna. I think we are right. 4500.74 apna hai 75, we are rounded off, big deal. Step number 3, to compute what? The theoretical market price, which you guys already know it, okay, into ERT. Now spot you will take this only, 4500.75 into E. By the way, just for your information, whenever you're computing, there's a big, write this down somewhere. And I've also told you in the normal lectures also. Dividend was receivable in 2 months. That's why we did 2 upon 12. But the contract is for how much? 6 months futures contract. So when I'm computing the theoretical market price, I won't take 2 months. What happens is in the 3 hours of flow, so when I'm computing, I've already taken 2 months in my above step. So what I do is I take the same step again. I take again 2 months only. No, it will go wrong. It will go wrong. This is how much? 6 months. So when I'm doing this, my third step, I will take for how much? 6 months. 4500.75 into. Achha, sorry, I've already written over here. This is how much? Kitna percent are wo? 9%. So this is 9. 0.09 into 6 upon 12. Very, very important step. Very important. I'll mark it over here. Very important. Why important? Not the computation part. Forget that. That's easy. You know it also. The main point is about the months. 2 and 6. Okay. Now, sure. Next step. 4500 into how much is this? 0.09 into 6 divided by 12. E raised to 0.045. Okay. Now our usual stuff. What we do is 2.7183. 2.7183. Under root 12 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1 into 0.045 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1.04603336, this is the number, into what I'll do, 4500.75, I get an answer of 4707.94. This is the answer that I'm getting. I'll just cross check with the module. Put together. Yes, and the answer is right. 470.9. Okay, don't look at the answer. मतलब decision. अभी अपन solve करेंगे खुद. ये हो गया. Now action we have to tell them. Okay, so I want you to pause the video. You do it, you write it, and then we cross check it. Okay. So what I've told you. Recommended course of action. recommended course of action. What do you do? Sir, we will do two prices will rate. Okay, this is the most simplest thing you will do. Don't forget this. Okay, 4707.94, and you only tell me what is the future price. Where's the question? Where is the question? This. How much is this? 4,600. I'll go write it over here. 4,600. Ladies and gentlemen, I want the answers from you. What? Sir. Greater. This means AFP, your future price is lower. Can I write here one thing? This is undervalued. Always future price के ऊपर ध्यान देना है. वो ज्यादा है तो overvalued, वो कम है तो undervalued. Step 1. If it is undervalued, I've already told you कि what has to be your recommended course of action. अपने यहाँ पे लिखा भी है ऊपर छोटे किलो पे. देखो भाई साहब, same thing is gonna come. We'll sell spot, buy future. Sell spot, buy future, and this has to be your answer over here. Where it is. Sell spot and buy future. This is what we have done. Are you understanding this, ladies and gentlemen? Can you do it for delimited and delimited? I think you will be able to do it. बहुत simple है. Let me know also whether you have done it. आपको समझ में आ रहा है. Three concepts we need to do. We're down with two concepts. One, I know how to compute the theoretical market price. I also know how to give them a decision, the recommended course of action. And remember, it's a sequence question. One wrong, everything is going wrong. Okay. Now I hope this is all okay. Now, can we do Jabardast question? Two questions are there. One homework, one will do. Okay. Last concept where you need to write the flow. Where you need to write the flow. Okay. I'll do it very properly. Aram se karenge. Important. This is an important question. Pay attention. A 4-month European call option on a dividend paying stock. What they've told, dividend paying stock. So we need to compute what? Present value of dividend and adjusted spot price. Is currently selling for 5 rupees. The stock price is 66. Strike price is nothing but an exercise price. Dividend of 0.80. One second. Sorry. My bad. We need to do this question. ये question करना नहीं. ये question कहाँ से आया बीच में? This question. This is a bigger question where we have to write this arbitrage document. Okay. This you can do. This is very simple. This is very simple. We'll do it very easily. Okay. This we'll do. This is important. My bad. Okay. Chalo. The price of a compact stock of a face value of rupees 10 on 31st December was 440. Or how much? 440. Okay. Future price on the same is how much? 444. Okay. Time to expiration is 3 months. Okay. Annual dividend is 30% payable before 31st March. Okay. It's always payable on your face value. So 3 rupees ka रहेगा dividend. Borrowing rate is 20% per annum. Okay. Based on our information, compute the future price for compact stock on 31st December. Please also explain whether any arbitrage opportunity exists. The moment you see arbitrage opportunity, people below the BP ऊपर नीचे होता है भाई. Students, like no matter how much they have studied, from anyone. The moment you see arbitrage, no, दग होता ही है भाई. और क्या करूँ कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. So that's why keep it very simple. If you know how to compute the theoretical market price, if you know how to take a decision, this is the most simplest thing. Okay. Forget the third part. Can you do the first two parts? वो तो आपको आता है boy. वो तो आप कर सकते हैं. Can you please compute and give me the theoretical market price. ओके सर यहाँ पे डिविडेंड दिया है, इसका मतलब है मुझे प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ डिविडेंड निकालना पड़ेगा. यस, कैन वी डू इट एंड देन कैन वी गो अहेड. सो विल डू इट ओवर हियर. One sec. Now we have space. Now we can do it. First, present value of dividend. Present value of dividend. Present value of dividend. Very simple. How we do it? So, first of all, what is the dividend value? Dividend value. So, rupees 10 into 30%. It's all face value, no? So, how much is this? Rupees 3. In the previous question, they had given you the dividend 50 rupees. So, very simple. We निकालना पड़ेगा, easy. So, we need to compute the present value for rupees 3. How will we do it? Simple. Whenever present value is there, divide by E raised to RT. Please go and see the time to expiration of dividend. Dividend कब मिलने वाला है? Sorry, dividend मिलने वाला कब है? Sir, dividend मिलने वाला है अपने को before, where it is, before 31st of March what? 40. So you only tell me one thing. How much it is going to be, sir? It is going to be how much? Sir. 3 years to बराबर है 3 महीना दिया गया इन लोगों ने. It is 3 months. So what will we write over here? Rupees 3. E rate of interest is I think 20%. कितना होगा 20% है क्या? 20%. So 0.20 into 3 upon 12. How much is this? Divided by E raised to 0.05. Can you please tell me what is the answer? 2.7183. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1 into 0.05 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 divided by 1.051 2774987. 3 divided by 1.051 2774987. 2.85. 2.85. That's your answer, which will match with the model. Okay. Now, what is the adjusted spot price? Second, adjusted spot price. Adjusted spot price. Simple. Spot minus present value of dividend. How much was the spot? Spot price is how much? It is given how much? 440. That's the spot price. 440. So I'll write it over here. 440 minus 2.85. So 414 minus 2.85. This will be 411.15. This is the adjusted spot price. Now we need to compute the theoretical market price by using this adjusted spot price. This will be your step number 3. To compute the theoretical market price. How will we do it? 411.15 into E raised to RT. 3 months it is, contract the same year, same months it is. So in the previous question it was different. 411.15 into E 0.20 into 3 upon 12. 411.15 into E raised to 0.05. 2.7183. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 minus 1 into 0.05 plus 1 is equal to, now into is equal to 12 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. I hope I've gone wrong somewhere, but we'll see. 432 is the answer. वही है क्या? हाँ, 432.23. No, it was right. 432.23. I thought मैंने एक ज़्यादा कर दिया उसमें. 432.23 is the answer. Simple. Now, your final decision. How you do? Two prices here and there. Two prices I want. First, the market price and your future price. 432.23 and what is the future price? कितना दिया उन लोगों ने? Where it is? 444. 444. This is more. This means the answer is what? It is overvalued. Whenever it is overvalued, you will sell future and you will buy spot. Okay, but answer doesn't finish over here. Why? Because this is the recommended course of action. There's one more question which I've asked you, whether any arbitrage opportunity exists. You will say yes, because the prices are not matching. So there is arbitrage opportunity. So how much you have gained from that or lost from that, anything, okay? So this only we need to show them in step-by-step approach. How will we show? Very simple, pay attention. So you tell me one thing, it is buy spot and sell future. So what will we do? Sir, if we are buying something, so assume that we always buy on what loan. Upon loan they buy करते need to pay them interest, okay? So you have to borrow this month. So tell me one thing, what is the spot price going on right now? Sir, 440, that's the stock price. So I'll borrow this much of money for how much? For 3 months. Okay. Now, you tell me one thing, if I borrow, money is coming in or going out? Some money is going to come in. So this is plus. This is plus. Next, sir, I will receive dividend also. How much was dividend? Sir, 3 rupees. Okay, receive inside it. Sell the futures, that was an action. So how much was this? 444. Now, you tell me one thing, I have to repay this amount, this 414, after 3 months with interest. So I need to compute the value of the 3 months. Now, it is not that simple. Because normally आपको compounding करना है, CCRR. Simple. So what will do? Future value निकालने का हमने को वो वही simple है. If we 414 into e raised to RT, 414 into e raised to, how much was the interest? 20%, right? 0.20 into 3 upon 12. If you solve this, you will get this answer. 435.23. The moment you get this, now you only tell me one thing. 435.23. How much is your total flow? Sir, 444 plus 3. 447 minus 435.23. This much is your what? Net cash inflow. इतना आपका net cash inflow कितना था? This you borrowed, right? This you borrowed and this you repaid. So basically, this is your net inflow, which is 447. And how much you need to repay? So I need to repay 435. So how much is net gain from this? 11.77. That is your final answer. So tell me one thing. How have we written down the steps? It is based on this only. It is based on this only. This. इसके ऊपर ही steps बनाए अपन ने. Buy spot, sell future. Are you understanding this? Simple. This was one question. This you do it for homework. ये वाला homework करो. Why? Same thing it is. There is no recommended course of action हो जाए. मतलब ये नहीं arbitrage वाला. इसमें है. ये वाले में है. So question 12 and question 14, do it for practice. Okay. Same thing is there. We need to compute the theoretical market price and we have to also show them whether any arbitrage opportunity exists or not. We'll do this question. I think it's the last question. After this, it ends. इतना खत्म होता है. ठीक है? We'll do this. Pay attention now. Important है. This is important. So if you want to practice the arbitrage question, this is most important. Okay. Current price they have given. Future price is 190, 12%. So first what we'll do is, there is no dividend over here. So it's very simple. It's very, very simple. So what you will do? Straight compute the theoretical market price. Straight compute the theoretical market price. How much is this? Spot is 170 into R, 0.12 into how much is the months? 6 months into 6 upon 12. Can we show me what is the answer? 0.12 into 6 divided by 12. 170 into e raised to 0.06. 2.7183. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 minus 1 into 0.06 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 1.061844 something is coming into 170. So my answer is 191.67. 191.67. That's my TMP. We'll see whether it's matching or what. Wait, match किसने किया ये आंसर? It was 6 months, right? 6 upon 12. One sec. .06. 1 second. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 minus 1 into plus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 into. Oh no, my bad. I took 0.05. Extremely sorry. 180.51. I took 0.05 in my calculation. 180.51. उनका आंसर कितना आ रहा है? हाँ बराबर है. This answer is right. Okay, 180.51. Okay, now the next thing is what? We need to compare two prices. Theoretical market price and your future price. How much is this? 181.51. And how much is the future price? कितना दिया है? 190. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you need to tell me what to do. Sir, this is greater. If this is greater, if this is what? Sir, this is overvalued. If it is overvalued, same course of action. What? Sir, sell future and buy spot. Buy spot. Is your answer getting over here? No. So we need to show them. How will we show them? So tell me what all is going to get. So first you will take loan. First you will buy, right? अब buy करेंगे सबसे पहले. Wait this. You will buy this, okay, at this much. Next, dividend तो कुछ नहीं है इसमें. उसके बाद you need to repay also. How will you repay? The same thing. 170 you do same compounding what you have done. You will get this 180.506 and you will sell future. So 190 minus 180.506. This will be your gain. This will be your gain. The only difference between question number 12 and question number 14 is that in question number 12 dividend was there. That is why there was one plus figure over here. So we added that figure and sell. जो पैसा मिलने वाला है, तो वो ऐड करके आपने कंपेयर किया था. इसमें डिविडेंड नहीं है. So the only value is what you will compute the exponential वाला, this वाला value, which I think you will do it very easily. Okay. So this is the net gain. As simple as that. So boss, if they ask you theoretical market price, recommended course of action, and arbitrage, only this many questions are there. Okay. So please do it. Okay. Please do not that this will come for your examination. 7 marks के questions there. It will come for your examination. Okay. I hope you have got this and we have done all the questions. The one thing which I've given you for homework, please do it. I think you have done, and I've also showed you the most easiest part on how to do it. Okay. The most easiest part of how to do it. Also, one more thing, please focus on this. This is already there in your drive. Okay, drive में किया है अपन ने सब कुछ. But I want you to take module question. That's the only reason I've taken this. Okay, chalo. Okay. There will be one more lecture coming on hedging. Okay, hedging also it is going to come. This was arbitrage. I want you to cover only arbitrage in this. There will be one video on hedging also. So please do watch that also. Okay. Practice करेंगे. Please do practice this thing. Okay. See, I know this was there, but still I solved it. You don't do this thing. Sir, module में दिया कुछ नहीं. I'll take a pencil. I'll just write it over there. Many people have the same thing. They sit in the library. They sit for 3, 4 hours. I know what they do. They take a calculator. They take a pen and they start just cross checking. Cross check थोड़ी कर रहे तुम यार. You need to solve करना है. और फिर checking नहीं करना है. I've seen so many people here in the library also. Okay, there's a library in front of my class only over here. Okay, so what happens? I usually go there. Okay, just to see. And what happens is I go there, these people are sitting and headphone, red pen, नहीं बराबर है, ये this is right. थोड़ी अपन check करें, we know the checkers, right? We need to solve it. You have to solve it. If it's a theory subject, it makes sense. You are doing something highlighting. But when practical are there, we need to solve, right? STMO, SFMO, we need to solve each and every sum. Then you will understand that this much difference is there. This is what. So if you will solve 12 and 14, if you wouldn't have solved it, you would have understand that it's different नहीं add नहीं किया है. Because you need to solve it. इसे cross check से कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of this video. I hope you have liked it. And also, exams are around the corner. Marathon dates are already announced. Please do fill up the form. You get the notes which are there. I'll try to cover the maximum as possible in those marathon or revision series. Okay. Thank you so much.